Did you know that one of history's most incredible battles was fought over something as simple as a bowl of soup? In 1990, during the Gulf War, a group of soldiers discovered an ancient soup recipe buried deep in the sands of Iraq. Instead of just using it for their rations, they turned it into a symbolic gesture of peace, inviting local families to join them for a meal. As the scent of spices filled the air, old enemies gathered around the tables, breaking bread and sharing laughter. But here's the twist. As these soldiers bonded with Iraqi families, they uncovered a hidden secret, a time capsule left behind by an ancient civilization, containing artifacts and writings that had been forgotten for centuries. What happened next? Pressure from high command, secrets that could alter alliances, and the fight for recognition of a shared humanity at stake. Remember, history never sleeps, and sometimes it waits hidden in a bowl of soup. What would you have done in their place? Tune in for the next chapter of the Starlight Chronicles.